Hello guys, and welcome to another video where we creating beautiful things in Photoshop. In this video we are going to talk about creating layers and filling them, and we're going to see the icon with the eye, how to delete a layer, how you can top or go down with layers, and all these beautiful creating things. So first thing first, let's load an image, and I'm going to File and then open Recent, and I have this cute cat in the road. Alright, now first thing first, you have a background here, but this is not very useful. So what exactly can you do with this? If you double click it, you have your new layer, and here you can aim it. I'm going to give it a name, something like original image, and I'm going to click OK. Alright, now you have your image, and this image is a layer. If it was locked, if it has the locker here, then you wouldn't be able to do anything. So you just need to double click it, and maybe if you prefer, give it a name. Alright, now I'm going down here, and I'm going to click in this create a new layer button. And this is a layer. This layer will go in top of your image. You can drag and your image will go up, or you can drag it down and your image will go down. So I'm going to leave it like this. Here in layer, if you double click it, you can give it a name. For now, I'm just going to let it as layer 1. Alright. And now let's go to fill this layer. If you go to image and then if you go to edit and then fill, which is also Shift plus F5, here you have your foreground color, and the foreground color is actually this one. Alright, and then you have blending mode normal, but you have all these options that I'm not going through right now, and opacity, which is 100%, which is the full opacity, right? So I'm going to click OK, and now you can see your original image. So here you have an icon, and what is this icon? If you have it like this, then obviously you can see your image, and if you click it so the eye is open, then you can only see this filled layer. Now if you drag your image, you can see your image, but if you drag your filled layer, you can't see anything. And this is also because the opacity is 100%. If it's in 0%, then you can see some things like 6, 7, 11, here is 20, and here is 45. And like in 100 you can't see anything. Alright, but let's see another thing. I'm going to have it in like, let's say 32, and I'm going to create another layer. Alright, so this is layer 2. This time I'm going again to edit and fill. I have a foreground color, but let's just click on color. Alright, so I'm going to pick something else, maybe something like this, and I'm going to click OK, and once again like OK. Alright, you have your opacity in 100%, so you can see a lot of things. Let's just play with it and maybe do it 10% instead. So now you have your layer 2 and your layer 1 and your original image. If you click on this, you can see only layer 2 and the original image. if you drag layer 1 on top of layer 2, you'll see that it's quite more bluish. But if you have layer 2 on top, it will be quite more reddish or pink. And I'm going to show you I'm going to tell you an example here. If you are a front-end developer or a web designer, you will probably know the CSS property of Z-index, and Z-index is something like layers. So the top layer is the one that it's more visible, and it's exactly like Z-index in CSS. So the more the higher value you have in Z-index, the most probably is that your content is going to be visible, right? So in layers here, the top layer is going to be the one that it's more visible. Alright, so now let's see how you can delete a layer. It's very easy. You just click on it and then you click delete, and it's deleted. So now I'm going to hit Ctrl Z, and I'm going to have the layer 2 again, and I'm going to show you another way that you can delete it. Just go in this icon here, it's the right icon, and it says delete layer. So just click on it, and again you'll have this panel, and you can click yes, so your layer will be deleted. Okay, I think we are done with this video and with layers. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video where again we will be talking about layers and folders. Thank you and have a great day.